everyone! I haven't been posting any videos on my YouTube channel for a while. It's been a very busy season for me. I wrapped up the open enrollment for health insurance. The last day to enroll was January 31st. It was so brutal, but at the same time it was really productive. I had so many things happening. I can't even remember. I had awesome interviews, including being featured on ABC 7 News Channel. I had an interview with Michael Feeney. I had interviews with local bloggers. I published my book, and if you haven't read it yet, I'm gonna have a link under this video and you can check it out. But finally, the hard work is done and it's time for me to take some time and enjoy life. Last time I looked around myself was when there was like beautiful fall. The leaves were falling down. It was so beautiful. I was walking down my neighborhood and it wasn't that busy and I was able to notice stuff. Now I'm looking around and it's almost springtime. There are these beautiful flowers blooming everywhere. So it's time for me to get back to seeing the reality and taking care of myself and the kids and the business, and honestly it's time to count the ducks, right? It's tax season. Anyways, I'll talk with you about that in a minute, but I want to share with you, I had a meeting with awesome, amazing business ladies at a local coffee shop at Phil's Coffee. My coffee's done. I probably need another cup, but anyways, I had this meeting and we were talking business. We are planning an amazing event which is gonna happen pretty soon in March here in the Bay Area, and if you're around and if you would like to attend, feel free to comment below or find me on social media and send me a message to be added to the list. It's going to be a private event. We are going to be talking about small business and how to save money on your taxes. Just gonna get out of the car and walk around the neighborhood because it's getting really warm in the car. Anyway, so it's sunny and nice outside. So yeah, we were talking about taxes and I was telling you about the time to count the ducks, and what I mean by that is basically this is the time when everyone is concerned about completing their tax forms and paying taxes and all that stuff, and it's not fun. I looked at the numbers and I have to give away about 40% of my income, and that's not something that I want, and that's exactly something that we talked with my colleagues. So we are putting together an awesome event, a workshop where we're going to talk about ways to minimize the taxes, not eliminate it, but minimize it legally by contributing to your retirement plan. So instead of taking this money and writing a check to the IRS, wouldn't you rather put it in your retirement account, right? So that's, a lot of people have no idea about that and rules and regulations. So this is exactly what we'll be talking about, and as I said, if you're interested, comment or send me a private message and I'll include you on the list. So beautiful. I'm enjoying this nice weather. I see a very nice blooming trees ahead of me. Let's see if I can turn around the camera and show you, if I can only not block it. Let's see if I can do this. That's so nice. So I'm back to my office. It was too sunny and distracting outside, so I will be continuing the recording of this video indoors. So as I've mentioned before, there will be a workshop this upcoming month in the Bay Area where we will have amazing and smart speakers who will be sharing their knowledge, and where people can hear real and practical ways to reduce their taxable income from professionals that have been in the business for decades. It's surprising that we work so hard for our money yet do nothing to save it for our own good. What I mean by that is people might not even be aware that such a tool exists. We are so busy saving for our, slaving for our money, and don't have time to hire financial advisors who can educate us on various options that we can use to minimize our tax burden. So whether you are self-employed or work for someone else, you do have the option to contribute to your retirement account, minimize your adjusted gross income, and pay less taxes this way. If you work for a corporation that sponsors such a retirement plan at work, like a 401k plan, you're so lucky, but if you work for yourself, you can also do it via the SEP IRA. And did you know that you can contribute up to 25% of salary, up to an annual maximum, and the maximum contributions for this year are $56,000 a year? That's for 2019, and it's usually going up every year. If you did not know about this, please consider attending this amazing event. Links below this video. It's absolutely free, no strings attached. If you haven't attended any of my events in the past, I encourage you to come and say hi and get to know me and other smart people. I will also have copies of my book at the event with my personalized message and signature to everyone who wants to learn more about financial planning and teach kids the same. So, even though my most watched videos on this YouTube channel are those related to insurance, the name of the channel is Let's Talk Money channel, and it's what I've learned in business school for 4 years. Financial planning is something I'm passionate about, I talk about, and I wrote a book about it. So saving, planning, and protecting your wealth and hard-earned money is something I care about, and I teach others. I will be a speaker at this event, so please stop by and say hi. Okay, that's it for now. Time is money, so let's go back to our business. But before that, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and stay up to date on everything that's happening in the insurance or financial planning sector. And I'll be back.